Hi, I'm Pather, and I'll be showing you how to create two different vinyl designs out of one cut. You're going to want to put your transfer sheet on top and then lay it on the table and then peel from the iron-on away from the transfer sheet. Usually I use the pin tool to help me peel off any hard and very thin detailed lines. I've tried using my fingers. You can if you want, but I don't like how it leaves certain creases and also makes ripples and wrinkles in the vinyl, which I don't like. So the easiest and cleanest way that I figured out on how to do this is to use the pin tool and the scraper. I started doing this because sometimes when I run low on vinyl, especially really pretty ones like this black glitter one, well, first of all, I can't bear to just throw it away. It's so pretty. And second of all, the design on both of it looks really nice. So I want to reuse that second image for a different project. As you're looking, you'll notice that I'm still trying to be very careful. I sped up this process by about 300% because I did take my time. I tried to rush it before and it just was a total disaster. So take your time on this. If you don't have time, then maybe just toss your vinyl. But I started doing this at 3 in the morning because that's the time that I have available. I have 2 kids under 2, so well, there you go. Anyway, after you iron on your sheet, you want to transfer the image on the transfer paper back to the sticky that you use to iron on your HTV. And this part is actually a lot faster and a lot easier compared to when you try to rip it off the sheet onto the transfer paper. Use your pin tool to try to put everything back in place. And there you go. That's it. Simple. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.